Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to install applications on OPPO 5. There are two ways to install apps on an Android tablet. The first is from the Google Play Store. Make sure you're connected to the internet and signed into your Google account. Open Google Play Store, find the app you want, tap Install, and wait for it to download and install. Let's wait a bit. The installed app can be opened from the Play Store or from your home screen. The other way is from unknown sources. From your browser, download the APK file and run it to install on your tablet. When downloading this way, always check website authenticity and avoid suspicious sites. Only download apps from official sources. To install from outside the Play Store, go to Settings and find Security and Privacy. Then go to More Security and Privacy, find Installation Sources, and toggle on the browser you'll use for downloading. Now go to Chrome and search for Aptoid. Tap Download, then open and install the file. Once installed, you can open it and start using it. That's it. Thanks for watching. If this helped, consider subscribing to the channel, leave a like and comment, and I'll see you in the next one.